ESSAILEC test blocks allow safe and reliable switchgears and meters tests throughout the complete chain of power generation and distribution from power plants to substations and final customer location to perform tests on meters. ESSAILEC allows measurement, injection for calibration, and replacement of equipments. ESSAILEC saves time thanks to a safe plug-and-play concept accessible from the panel door. ESSAILEC offers 3 test methods. The make before break method is the most used. Connect first the pre-wired plug to the test set. The lid is removed without interrupting the circuits. Insert the plug into the socket to disconnect the circuits. During the insertion, the plug's pins make the contacts with the socket. The signal still flows through the socket. As the plug is pushed further, socket circuits are disconnected, and the signal flows now through the plug towards the test set. In its current application, operator short-circuits the current transformer by interconnecting the 4 plug outputs together before injection. When the plug is removed, the signal flows again through the socket. The make before break method allows measurement and injection operations on current transformers, voltage transformers, current and voltage sensors. The second test method, the break before make, is dedicated to voltage transformers. During normal operation, the lid ensures the electrical continuity. When the lid is removed, the circuits are disconnected. When the plug is connected, the voltage flows through the plug toward the test set. Simultaneously, voltage injection can be done on the equipment. Then the lid is back on the socket, and voltage flows again through the socket. The third test method, the closed contacts, is using a 4-pins test plug. The socket circuits cannot be disconnected, only measurement is possible. When the plug is inserted, the voltage is measured by the test set. Break before make and closed contacts methods are used for voltage transformers. They are available in several colors to identify various circuit types, like polarity or trip. The ESSAILEC plug-and-play principle allows fast and easy test operations, simultaneously on 4 circuits. Marking and color codings ease circuits identification. IP20 touch-proof socket and IP40 protection with the lid. The coding systems prevent from reverse mounting or products mix between current and voltage ESSAILEC devices. During normal operation, the lid can be sealed to prevent unauthorized access. All ESSAILEC sockets have a dedicated batch number engraved on the body for perfect traceability. Various connection types are available on ESSAILEC sockets: ring tongue, quick connect, screw clamp, RJ45, in order to meet all connection requirements. ESSAILEC sockets can be easily mounted either on the front door of switchgears or meters, on a plate, or inside the panel on a standard TH35 rail, or on a rack. Invented by ENTRELEC, ESSAILEC test blocks have been used for more than 40 years by major utilities worldwide. TE Connectivity continues to innovate by offering a new test solution for digital switchgears. ESSAILEC is the premium solution for safe and easy test operations on switchgears and meters.